Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A02s that needs a new display, and we're gonna do it. So this is an entry-level model from Samsung, and it looks okay on the sides, but the display itself has some bleeding behind the glass, and the glass is not even cracked or anything. Maybe it was dropped and the glass was in a bit of a strong shock. That's why the liquid inside it has bled, and it's causing it to lose visibility completely. So you can't even use a smartphone to look at stuff. So the only solution is to replace it with a new display. And we're gonna remove the front, the back cover, and then the cover for the main board. Detach the cable for the display, reattach the battery, and let's test it. So at that state, it's completely dark and you can't even access menus on the screen. So the only way to shut down the device is to remove the connector for the battery. And that's what David did for this one. So this Galaxy A02s has some Ed Sheeran on it. Pretty nice. We're gonna test it. And being an entry-level model, it seems to be taking a while to boot up to the main home screen, and that's David there. There's a bit of lag, and that's pretty normal on this level of Samsung device, but overall the construction of this smartphone is pretty good, even better compared to your cheap models from other brands. And it's got a considerably bigger battery, so you can bigger battery and a low powered CPU means you can just use this smartphone the whole day. This is our replacement display. It's got some adhesive on it and the cable, and what we're gonna do is transplant everything. So we have the vibration motor, the daughter board, main board, and the battery put into this brand new display. So it looks like this one is kind of taking hints of the design from their Samsung flagship models, although the buttons on the side is not really good for newbie technicians. It's a pretty thin film that can be broken if you're not careful. David here, it's a pro, so it's not really an issue, and he's got a lot of experience dealing with Samsung devices, so right here, it's a piece of cake. So if you want professional Samsung technician here in Sydney, look no further. Here's David. I can wholeheartedly recommend his service. If you have an iPhone, he can do that, but primarily he's an expert on anything related to Samsung. And we're almost done. It's just that, although we have edited it to make his hands move faster, but you can see the efficiency in his movements. So you will have peace of mind that your Samsung device will be fixed the right way with quality parts. So don't hesitate to visit us here in Sydney. If you can't go to Sydney and you're living overseas, you can also send in your broken smartphone, especially for Asus ROG phones with very rare services available for it. You can also send it to us. Once we receive it, we fix it here in the shop, and then once it's done, we'll return it back to you through the mail. And this one is all good. So this is the broken display. Now I can see the crack on the corner there. So I haven't seen that really. So you can see that the contrast on the old one and the new display, and it's working. So we'll shut it down for now and join us on our next repair. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.